Hello guys, it's Percy and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're here at this shop here, Tire Garden, Higashikurume branch. And that is because tonight is the night that we're gonna install our new set, my new set of mag wheels into my WRX STI. Yes, so I've been really waiting for this mag wheels for a month and I'm really excited to see how it looks in person. So I've been visualizing it in my mind. So tonight is the night that we're gonna see it in person. Okay. So the shop manager, the branch manager, allowed us to take a video inside the shop, and this is what you can see here. There are a lot of, well, actually they are specialized. They are a distributor of this Yokohama wheels. Yeah, so you can see here the wheels that are displayed here. They are all from Yokohama. Yeah. Right. So actually, you know, the branch manager earlier told me we have 2 5-spokes in Yokohama wheels, that is this TC4 and GT. But actually, according to the manager, this TC4, they're not forged, they are casted. This is made by NK, right? So yeah, so it's not bad, of course. It's lightweight. It's just that if you want forged wheels, then you have to go for GT probably, right? Yes, so these are casted wheels and rebranded as Yokohama wheels, right? And moving back here, well, we have here this RG4. This also another casted wheels. Yeah, so you can see it's casting flow forming. We have this GT wheels here, right? GT wheels here, and these are forged. This forged wheel, this ADVAN GT, is actually being manufactured in the factory that is owned by Race. Yeah, and then, well, actually this one here, this is the one that I've ordered. So this one is a 20-inch one. I've ordered a 19-inch one. Yes, so I'm excited to see this wheel on my WRX STI. So yeah, let's go check it out. There's the ADVAN GT Beyond. Oh. いいですね。ありがとうございます。So that is my stock wheels, and we're gonna replace it with this ADVAN GT Beyond. It's 19-inch. It's metallic sand. The color. So that's how it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but it's actually semi-silver, semi-gold. I like the color of it. It would look perfect with our WR Blue XTI. And yeah, now they're checking the tires that we brought. I got these tires slightly used from the internet. They're checking it carefully. And yeah, actually we are installing a wireless tire pressure sensor, so we can monitor the pressure and the temperature of the tire while we are, you know, for example, we're running the truck. It's gonna be a real-time monitoring of the pressure and the temperature. Yes, so it's an attachment for the original one. YouTube に上げますので。
本当ですか？
そうですそうです。大丈夫ですか？
大丈夫ですよ。
ありがとうございます。わお、すげえかっこいいですね。
かっこいいですよね。
はい。お。Yeah, so this sensor here, I don't have this in my original wheels. So there's a battery inside this sensor. So using that power, it's sending signal to the remote device, and it's gonna show in real time the tire's pressure and the temperature. So it's gonna be a perfect timing to add that feature in my new set of mag wheels. Okay, so we're gonna check it from now, and there it is. Wow.
Wow, wow.
Oh. Wow. Wow ですね。これはすごい。
どうでしょう、これ。マッチングも。
うん。なんかスライチしてますね。スライチしてますね。スライチしてますね。
これ
9.544 ですかね。マネージャーの和田さんですかね。ヘロー。みんなハロー。YouTube で出ますね。すいませんね。ありがとうございます。おー。ですかね。あー、すげえ。収めてますね。もう中に。っていうことは多分車検でもいけそうですよね。ね。おー。
かっこいい、これでも。かっこいいよね。めちゃくちゃかっこいい。なかなかいないよ。なかなかいない。うん。高級感ある。
And yes, we're also using this ADVAN lug nuts. And so we also have the remote device installed as well. It's very easy to install. So it's not yet displaying the temperature and the pressure because we haven't rolled our tires yet. Later we're gonna check it out. Alright guys, so we've done installing this TPMS display, dashboard display, and this is how it looks like. So it has all the accessories to install this on your dashboard, and well, the white numbers there, those are the pressure readings of your tires, and then the blue numbers there, those are the temperature readings. It's in my case, I've set it in kilopascal and degrees Celsius, the units, but you can change it by switching in the settings. Yeah, so the button is this one, so I just changed it to bar and degrees Fahrenheit. This is the button here. You can change it like that. Right. You have to press it a little bit harder. So the upper front reading, that is the reading for your front left tire, and then the upper right reading, that's gonna be the front right tire, and so on. Right, and then if you're going to rotate the tires, you can just change the setting. There are different patterns, so you can change the location of the sensor. For example, front to rear, you want to shift it, then it's okay, you can just change it on the settings. And then I like this sensor, and it really works well. And then, but just one thing that I noticed is, well, it's a little bit hard to see in the day, the display from this perspective here, because there's the reflection of the light from the dashboard. You can see it on the display, so it's a little bit hard to see the numbers on the display. Yes, so it would be better if there's brightness auto adjust of the screen, just like our phones, right? But it doesn't have, so it's a little bit hard to see in the day. But in the night time, as you can see on the screen now, it's all fine, there's no problem with it. So that's the only cons that I can see in this product. Yeah, overall I like it. So it's a safety tool, it's a good tool to keep your tires having that proper temperature and pressure, most especially when you're going to track. So you have to really monitor the tires pressure and temperature. Oh yes guys, so for those that are curious of how light this ADVAN GT is, so I've tried comparing it with my stock 18-inch wheels, and as you can see in the screen now, it's actually 1 kilogram lighter than my stock wheels. And from the fact that it's physically larger than my stock wheels, the diameter and the width, despite they are both forged wheels, I can definitely say that this new model of ADVAN GT wheels is one of the lightest wheels that we can get in the market. Definitely for me, it's the lightest wheel that I've ever owned. Price tag is not cheap for these wheels, but I think it's justifiable by the quality that you can get out from it. Alright guys, so there you go. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit that like button and share to your friends. For those that are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out any new videos that will be coming out. Alright, so thank you again. Thanks for watching. See you again. Love you all guys and peace out.